Hi, to fix live wallpaper not working problem on iPhone, firstly, go ahead and open settings. And now search for the section which is named battery. Here we need to check low power mode and it should be turned off because when it's turned on like that, then feature live wallpaper will be disabled. So make sure to toggle off the switch. Now, if it doesn't solve the problem and you encounter a motion not available error when adding a new live photo, then pay attention to your snapshot first. The problem may be that the foreground of the photo is too close to the background and iPhone cannot distinguish them to create a live wallpaper. So try taking a new photo. Make sure the foreground is clearly separated from the background. So I'm gonna put it like that. And for example, you can use your hand in a photo, but I'm gonna use my earphones. Let's press camera shutter button to take a photo. Here we saw live marking. Now we can press and hold it. And as you can see, it was created successfully. And once you successfully created a live photo, you can use it as a live wallpaper and they will start working. For that, I'm gonna click share, choose to use as wallpaper. Now wait a few seconds. And here, make sure to tap on this icon so it will be not crossed out. And you should see this animation. Now I'm gonna click add, set as prayer. And now we can see this live photo. So unfortunately, if the current live photo cannot be used as a live wallpaper, then you will have to take a new photo as you cannot fix the old one. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.